Una for this picture now. This picture is Obi Cubana and his wife when they were struggling. When they were struggling to put food on the table. This picture now will motivate you. Get these days ụmụ nwanyị feel that na ụmụ nwoke adịghị enough. Their boyfriend then wasn't anything to offer. Five feel that now the only way they can have their problem to be solved is dating married men. Yes, these days the feelings married men can solve their problem. But you know this one, Obi Cubana, that everyone knows, and his wife, when they were in their prime time, when they were still dating, the woman stick with Obi Cubana, even when Obi Cubana cannot afford her needs. But the woman love Obi Cubana with all her heart. So among reason these days, that passion is stick with their broke boyfriend. One thing with a boyfriend with a future, when you find a man, try borrow mbo. The reason is you gonna support here. But due to inferiority complex during my these days, I want to see the calm down. I want to see hypertension. When did he stick with his boyfriend? Find out about for one place to another. Name hook up. Name so many things in the adro manante. Gente, emelu mala, emala melu. You cannot marry a married man. A married man will use you and dump you. It's very simple. It's very, very simple. So, as a young lady, in with a boyfriend, iman with for now, now put with a future. Oh no, go for the moment. Stay with that person and believe things will get better. Share the video.